Hey, entrepreneurs, it's Eulica Kimber, CPA, MBA, and your business growth coach. And I have a question for you today. Don't I always have a question? Well, the question I have for you today is, what is your mission? What is your mission? What is the mission of your business or your businesses or the enterprise that you've engaged in for profit? What is your reason for existence? Mission is very important to entrepreneurs of all sizes, even Fortune 500 companies. If you think about the major companies that we frequent every day, we drive their cars, we wear their shoes, we use their computers, we might use their services. Every strong company that has consistent profit has a clear mission and vision statement. So, what is a mission statement? So, a mission is your starting point, it's your reason for getting up in the morning. Your mission, simply put, is your reason for existence. What is the purpose for this business, and who does it serve? What are you here to do on this earth? And it sounds like it's just frou-frou work to do, but it's very important. I find that sometimes that business owners that I work with in my practice, in my coaching practice, have a challenge with understanding who they are and what they're supposed to be doing. So they're doing a whole bunch of things that don't relate. Sometimes they're not profitable. Sometimes the entrepreneur is frustrated because they're not getting the results. But I challenge you today, entrepreneur, that if you sit down and think about what is your purpose for being, what is the purpose of your business, what were you created to do, that will motivate you to actually align all of the other things of your business that it takes to make money. So when you know your mission and your vision, it's easier to know what you should sell and who you should serve it to. It's easier to know what to put on your social media. Even your brand colors could inspire that. Brand colors. So the things that you're trying to figure out, logo, all of that could come much easier when you figure out who you are, even the naming of your business, or the naming of your products or services or catch lines. When you figure out your mission, the business will get easier. I want to read to you one of my favorite mission statements from a company we well know, and that's Nike. And you think, oh, their mission is just to sell shoes, to sell. But let me tell you how they break this thing down. I love it. So, what it says on their website, it says, our mission is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. And if you have a body, you are an athlete. That is a good mission statement because it's not too restrictive. It doesn't even say shoes. It doesn't say athletic. It doesn't say athletic wear or tank tops or leggings. Those are things I have from Nike. Workout clothes. It doesn't say that, but it says it's the mission statement is a step back from the product and service. It's saying, what is your purpose for existing? And here they're saying their desire is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete. And if you have a body, you're an athlete. So I challenge you today to take a step back from the product or service of your business. So for instance, you might sell makeup, but your mission is not to sell makeup. Your mission might be to make every woman feel her best, or to make this woman feel like a queen. So, or to be able to hold her head high, or to be able to bring her best self forth. In don't be stealing all these missions I'm giving. So, if you're a grass cutter, it's not just to cut grass. It's so you create home pride and home ownership. You create beautiful greenery so children can play on the lawn. The mission is what your purpose is existing. And if you think about the two examples I gave, the imagery, the wording that I gave, that sounds like a brand name. It sounds like a company name. It's an inspiration for maybe brand colors you might come up with. So when you get your mission and vision straight, and I'm gonna do a separate video on vision to talk about that. Vision is about what you want in the future. But mission specifically is what I want to focus on here. You have to know what you're doing and why you're doing it. Not just that not the actual act that you're doing. Oh, I'm selling hot dogs. No, what are you doing? You're feeding, you're bringing fun. What is the purpose and what is the mission that you are created to fulfill as an entrepreneur, and how are you fulfilling that? And when we start with there, we can flow through to the products and services and how we're going to meet that mission and make sure that everything that we do in the business relates to that mission. So I challenge you today to start there. Your mission statement shouldn't be long. It shouldn't be more than 2 or 3 sentences. You can Google some of the so I challenge you to Google some of your favorite companies and see what their mission is. Large companies, I think of Ford, Walmart, Amazon. Look at what and their missions get revised. And so whatever you write today doesn't have to stay. You can add to it. You can change it as technology um, changes. I know Walmart changed their mission a few years back to encompass the online presence. Because remember, they used to be stores. So then they added however our customers may want to shop. They added something like that to help focus their company. And then you make sure that everything you do aligns to that mission. So I would like you to comment below. Tell me what your mission statement is. It's not a secret. We should know, right? So tell me if you are struggling with it, if you already know what you do and how that's affecting your bottom line. We want to hear it. So mission and vision is one of the first sessions of my 8-week coaching program, which is the Plan to Prosper. So if you want to know more about that and how we can work, start with your mission and vision and craft that and move that into a profitable business, selling your best products and services to your best customers. If that interests you, down below I have linked to the 3 ways you can work with me so we can talk more about crafting profitable businesses. I'm so excited. I love entrepreneurship and I love to connect with you. So again, I ask, what's your mission?